somewhere, innit? Yeah. You really start judging my book, innit? You never heard it, innit?
Bro, cut. Hold on. Fuck this guy. There you are you done, bro?
I told you already, bro.
Gatwick Airport way. And I said, no, thank you. Well, I don't know the area.
Yeah.
And so they don't want to help me. I'll sip it as well.
That'll warm me up, Alan. Oh, good man, you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's warming me up already.
Good stuff. Good vibes, Marky Mark.
Come have a look. Come on, let me show you what. Come. If you look on the pot, I can show you where I pot in the car.
The pot.
Look, see it there?
Oh,
It's a vegetable soup.
soup. It smells rich.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Coconut and pumpkin and you understand? And we have thyme and everything on here, so you know, yam and I drop all the scotch bonnet pepper in there to just go on. Nah, just go on with the flavour. See it there?
Flavor boil out in there.
Yes. Alright, people say we're on a mission again today. Bubbler, what go on, man?
Yeah, man. Outside.
Outside, what you say? Why in this? The kitchen. The kitchen in that, people, yeah, good vibes, we're on the roadside. You know, say cold outside, and people, yeah, it's not a joke, my fingertips are cold, but guess what, the mission have to continue. Alright, food have to cook and the pot have to set on. Another vibrant day, people, yeah, look at the green planting, the right planting, jelly coconut, our good vibes, that is it, we're at the market, people, ingredients time, that is it. Vibrant day here at the market, Sedway, people, yeah, let's begin the good vibes, people, yeah, and get this pot going, yeah. We need to get ourselves a trolley right now, yeah, quick and fast, and then we start get some ingredients. That is it, people, yeah. Wagwan. Corn, scallion. Wagwan.
Good, bro.
Wagwan.
Good, bro.
Yes, people, so you know, so we're at Surrey Street, so you have to come here. Big up. You have to come here, right at the store here, and come and get your accessories, you understand? Your traveling accessories, so if you're going away on a holiday, you need a back-to-school bag for the kids, all them kind of things there. You need a wallet, you need a purse. That is it, forward, right? That's what people, Surrey Street Market. Well, go on, big man, you right? That is it. Respect. People, so I'm outside with my shopping trolley, but then we have them people there over there coming like they want to fight the movement. But we're there, so we do our shopping right now. Put some things in the shopping trolley. Yeah, right? No fuss, no fight, you understand? A good vibes. So we have to come to the fishmongers right here, sir. Croydon quality fish, people, yeah. You understand? Bubla, yes, we're gonna get some water today.
No problem, my brother. You see, how are you?
I'm good today.
Good morning, man.
Good morning. Good vibes.
With a beautiful smiling.
That is it.
Okay, you wanna water?
Yeah, Bubble, you have to give us a beautiful smile in this one.
Also, take that one. Cold water, yeah?
No, hot water will be good. Yeah, we need hot water so that we can kick off the pot quicker. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes, that is it. We're outside active today. So the best part of the start up there is when you get the pot ready and you got the ingredients then ready and you're on the road with bubbler, you know. That is it. That is the best start of the day, people, yeah? So guess where I go on now? Cookings. And I made sure that they gave me hot water, yeah, so that the pans are ready. Because we're outside here, it takes long to kind of warm up. You understand, bubbler? So I get hot water. Yeah. Greatest part of the movement right now, people, yeah? We fed 9,000 and odd people, yeah, on our way to 10,000 people, yeah. That is it, yeah. We just have set up the thing right, yeah, sir. Our good vibes. I rushed out so quick today, I weren't able to have no breakfast, so might just be getting some fruits and vegetables, yeah, throughout the day to just keep me going, people, yeah. But right now I need some pumpkin as well, so I have to buy a piece of pumpkin. So I'm there, so right now I'm gonna buy a piece of pumpkin, people, yeah. Our good vibes, that is it. Yeah, man, pumpkin.
You want half kilo, darling? I'll make it 350.
I like this piece of pumpkin here. This piece of pumpkin here. I like this one here. Our good vibes.
280, bro. You want 3 pounds?
So, see this piece of pumpkin here costs 280, our good vibes. Hey, so look at this people, yeah. So our good vibes. Look, yeah, look. Steam's coming from Ringo Vision's pot people, yeah. Look at that. Whoa, alright. So we know it's a steam come through, yeah. Me good man, you alright? Our good vibes. Are the vegetable soup I go on today, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. So we've got some nice pumpkin people, yeah. We've got some spinach. We've got some leeks. We've got some cho-cho. We've got some turnip, scallion. You understand? We've got corn up on the corn, yeah, so people, yeah. Corn, nice, you know. Yeah, man. And we got we have some yam. Where yam there? Blows nah. Come in, Mr. Yam. That is it. See it, I know, see yam, you know, people, yeah. So cooking the yam as well, people. You have to go in on the pot. A good vibe, so yeah, man, just drop in the yam right there so we can just go and hitch up. You understand? It's a good vibrant day here at the market today, people, yeah. So yeah, man, our aim and our mission today, yeah, is to feed at least 75 people. We're gonna try still, but if we feed 50 people, our good vibes that said way, yeah. All right, one love to each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Now, it's actually important, yeah, that you guys leave your feedback on everything that's actually going on, people, yeah, and you guys actually share the videos. Put your notifications on everybody, yeah, so that you don't miss any videos, you understand? Look, see the kitchen here, so see the whole setup here, so our good vibes. So everyone, so what's happening right now, yeah? So we just prepped our pumpkin, yeah, and putting our pumpkin in the pot, people, yeah. Our good vibes, and we've got some scallion to put into the pot, and we've got some red onion to put into the pot as well, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. So we're right out here at the market, you know, cooking right here. You understand? It's a vibrant day. Bobla, what go on, man? Alright everybody, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, I'm just prepping the onion, taking the skin off the onion, people, yeah. Yeah, man, because the onion is part of the biggest flavour. And onion, especially a red onion, everybody, yeah, red onion is really good for you, understand? So we're using the red onion in the pot today. We're using the garlic in the pot today. We're using the ginger in the pot today, you understand? And we're using some thyme in the pot today as well, people, yeah? Quite a few seasonings that we're going to be using in the pot today, people, yeah? Our good vibes. How you doing, big man? You right? Alan, how you doing? Get the camera on Alan.
Hey, mate. Hello, everyone. What time will you be ready for us, my boss?
I'll be ready in about an hour, you know, Alan. Yeah, man, our good vibes.
Yeah.
Alan, when was the last time you cooked? You enjoy a bit of cooking yourself?
Yeah.
Bro? Would you like to cook? What was the last thing you cooked?
Last thing I cooked was cottage pie.
Cottage pie?
Yeah.
I had a cottage pie this week as well. A homemade one, that's one of my favourites.
Yeah, same. Oh, spaghetti bolognese I cook.
Yeah?
Cheese con carne.
Yeah?
And this is one of my mates. He's on the streets as well.
Yeah, how you doing? What's your name?
Oh,
Paul. How long you been homeless, Paul?
too long.
Too long.
Yeah, I'm in a situation of getting myself somewhere.
Yeah.
Like me.
Alright. Hopefully things will turn over. I've got some nice lovely soup today that I'm cooking. Yeah.
I mean, it's still
So you just caught me at the beginning stages right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just putting in some scallion into the pot. Just flavouring it up right now. Good vibes. That is.
How long have you been doing this now, mate?
16 weeks.
Yeah.
And I've fed 9,765 people.
Yeah.
In 16 weeks. I'm coming out 4 times a week.
Good for you.
Yeah.
That's what more people want, more people like you.
Yeah, we're trying to create a domino effect.
It needs it. It does. It's like, I know you got your own restaurant down and that as well. I've seen your restaurant and I've tried your food in there. That's nice.
Well, Brixton,
Yeah.
that's not our food shop, that's just our friends.
Huh?
That's just our friends.
Yeah, that's just our mate shop.
Right, I'll be back in an hour then.
Yeah.
We'll
Come
try
back.
and find him a phone case for his phone.
Alright, good stuff.
Okay? We'll be
Yeah.
back.
I'll be here.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, so Alan just bought someone to come and get some food. A good vibes. Yeah, man, Bob, I say community start come out already. So look, so I'm putting the carrot in the pot from early today, yeah, because you see this, and not the carrot. I'm putting the corn in the pot from early. Bubble, catch a bit of this. Show in the pot, Bubble, show in the pot. Come and have a look in the pot. It's a corner now. Drop some big piece of corn in our pot as well, people, yeah? A good vibe. You see that? Alright. You can cut that now, Bubble. Yes, everybody, so what I'm doing now, yeah? I'm just prepping all the vegetables, them like the yellow pepper, the green pepper, the carrot, the garlic, you understand? So when it's time to put the ingredients into the pot, I'm like halfway there. It's proper cold outside as well. It's a very chilly Friday today as well, people, yeah? A good vibes though. Yeah man, as you can see, look, peppers them, a good vibes. Come here and look, Bubble, so you can show everybody that hot water. I've got a bit of ginger here as well, everybody, yeah? So I'm gonna put some ginger into the pot. A good vibes. You can cut it there, Bubble, good vibes. Doing right now, putting some ginger in the pot. Come and have a look, Bubba. Just drop some ginger in the pot. Put some garlic in the pot. Garlic is very good for you, everybody. So, yeah, man, we have to work with the garlic, work with a whole pot of garlic, people. Yeah, you understand? You can see all the scallion in there, the red onion, the pumpkin, the tomato. You understand, people? Yeah, a good vibe. That is it. Big up yourself, welcome on the journey, everybody. Man, we're busy out here, Bubble, today, isn't it? That is it. So what we're going to do now, yeah? Look, hold the camera straight, Bubble, please, hold it straight. What we're cutting up now, yeah, is some peppers. Yeah, sweet pepper, this one is, people, yeah? Nice sweet pepper. Going into your pot, a good vibes. That is it.
That don't it? Well, nice to meet you then. Finally. That's good. What is soup I go on today? Yeah?
Huh?
What kind of soup I go on today?
Vegetable soup.
Where's it?
Yeah, the original vegetable soup. Oh, vegetable soup. I'm just seasoning up the pot at the moment. Just make it just go and boil for about 45 minutes and then I start putting the ingredients in it. It's a natural pot still. Yeah, the corn's in the pot.
Okay, well, nice. Maybe I go up there. Well, keep up the good work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes.
We got Marky Mark and good vibes. Morning, people.
Yes, Mark, how are you, mate?
Yourself?
Good to see you, man. Yeah, man.
So, Bubble, what I'm cutting up here is some leek. Put some leeks in the pot, innit, Mark? All of this in there, let it boil out. A lot of leeks, I mean. Travel. So this is where we're at right now, everybody. Yeah. So we reach a good point. So we got Bubble. 1 second, please. 1 second. So we got the coconut cream in the pot, the scallion, the garlic, the turmeric, the ginger. You understand? We're just waiting for the pumpkin here to just kind of like get soft in the pot, people. Yeah. Once the pumpkin gets soft, yeah, then it's going to create the color transformation that we're looking for today, people. Yeah. It's a nice look. We've got some Scotch bonnet pepper there waiting to go into the pot. We've prepped the yam, you understand, and the potatoes, them just sitting down in water, ready to just go into the pot, people. Yeah, man. It's a nice, vibrant day here at Surrey Street Market. Yeah, one of the oldest market here in the UK, people. Yeah. So yeah, man. The food we have to cook the good food, yeah, and give back to the local community, especially the homeless. That is it. The marathon continues, everybody. Yeah. And have you ever experienced homelessness before, yeah? Or have you ever had any friends and family that's experienced homelessness? If you have, you should know what it feels like, you understand? And why we're out here today, yeah? Is to lessen that value there that's out in the world. Less people being homeless, less people being needy, you understand, people, yeah? It's a good vibes. The marathon has to continue, you understand? We have to give back and help humanity. We are the human race, you understand, people, yeah? A good vibes, you say? coconut and callaloo. You understand me? Right, yes sir. Busting up the coconut here. Yeah man, good vibes.
That's okay.
Alright, so this is the jelly coconut people here. So you see that the jelly from the coconut it's the nicest part of the coconut people, yeah. As well as the juice as well. It's got the filler, which is the body. Yeah man, a good vibe. So we might get a jelly coconut as well, people, yeah. I want one as well. I want this one. Good vibes. How's the jelly coconut? It's nice?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Really good for your health.
Bumbo. Alright people, yeah, good vibes. Not me, eh? Out to the kitchen and we need a good juice, people.
No, don't get me wrong, but you as a guy, you can tell.
That is good.
You enjoy the shit just like I do, maybe even more. Go on. Yes, let them know. Serious thing. Serious thing. Was it nice though? Was it nice? Sweet, yeah? Let them know a serious thing you drink there. Organic. Yeah, me 5 a day.
A good vibes, people.
Good vibes.
Electrolyte. Water.
Charging up the body, you get
Charge
me?
up.
Charge up. Chargy. Was it nice, miss? Was it delicious? Oh yeah.
Yeah man, a good vibes, people. So. The jelly.
She love the coconut. Yes. The down to the down. What? Still more to go. And this is not finished yet, people. Them, you see that? How many gulps? How many gulps has he had so far since you've seen? And he's still drinking. Pure stuff. Stop drinking your Fanta, yeah? Stop drinking your Coca-Cola. You're going nowhere with Fanta and Coca-Cola. You need to drink this organic, real thing that God put on this earth for us to enjoy and be blessed with. You understand?
That is it.
That is it. A good vibes only, yeah? A good vibes only. You already know. Young Reezy. Full effect.
Big man. Chop it, yeah?
Chop it up. But them, they don't know coconut like this, you know. Them. Don't know to the don't know.
Alright people, so this is the next stage of the coconut, which is the jelly part. That's why it's called jelly coconut. See it, yeah?
Let me come closer so them people them can see. You don't really need to see nothing else but the jelly. The jelly part of the coconut. Yeah, look at that. This is glorious, you know.
And because it's so cold outside,
Yeah, tell them.
jelly's nice and chilled.
Yeah, okay. But describe the texture, describe the taste, describe it for them though.
Soft,
Yeah,
a bit creamy,
okay.
coconutty,
As you'd expect.
yeah,
Yeah,
and just fresh.
fresh. That's the key component, key word there. A fresh. So tell me, rate this against Rubicon. What are you telling me?
Well, Rubicon went in the bin,
Yeah?
and this one came into my life.
A good vibes only, let them know. That's the Ringo vision answer there. And I don't know till I don't know, you know?
Big up easy people, yeah?
Yeah, don't know. Thank you, my boss.
A good vibes.
A good vibes only. I don't know till I don't know. Aye, let them know. Ooh, your people are getting treated today. Is this what you know I get? Big up yourself, you know, my don.
Good vibes.
Good big up yourself though. No, the real big up yourself. You see what you're treating them to? Every day man sees something special in this pot, you know. Look at that pumpkin. Every day man comes up with something special, you know. You don't have to realise, yeah. Support the thing though. Come on people, come together if you can. Support the thing. One man army is nice, yeah, but you can't do one man army forever. You get me? You can't do one man army forever. It's nice, yeah, to begin with, but when you try to realise big things, you can't do it alone forever. Big boys, big women, get together and support the thing. 1 million people, we gotta feed them. You understand? You understand? You don't know.
A good vibes.
A good vibes only. You understand? A good vibes only. Big up yourself, though, my G.
Wow, look at this. Woohoo! So a good vibes, everybody. So look, we're starting to get that bubble. We're starting to get that consistency that we're looking for, everyone. Yeah. All right, the market's busy, said way. Yeah. That is it. We're outside. People in Croydon.
Is it?
Yes. Some soup. and I got all the food, all the ingredients right here from the market.
Very good.
And I'm using a portable gas stove here
Yeah.
with like it come with these canisters, and this is how I cook the food with these canisters here.
How is it?
Yeah, and I get the vegetables fresh from the market here.
Soup?
It's soup, yeah. You can have some when it's ready in like half an hour. I'm giving it to the homeless and the community.
So we can taste it?
Yeah, you can taste, yes.
Okay.
So I'll show you so you can come back in like, or you can.
Not ready.
It's not ready, but you can wait. You can wait 20 minutes, half an hour.
Okay.
Yeah?
No worries. We will not
I'm
come
coming
back.
back.
Yes? Alright, good vibes. Come have a look. Come on, let me show you what. Come, if you look on the pot, I have to show you where I pot in the car.
What's in the pot?
Look, see it there?
Okay,
It's a vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup, it smells rich.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Coconut and pumpkin and
pumpkin and
you understand?
everything.
And we have thyme and everything around here, so you know,
Yeah,
yam
that's
and
good.
I drop all the scotch bonnet pepper in there for just
Man,
go
it
on.
bursts it up.
Nah, burst, just go on with the flavour. See it
Yes,
there?
the flavour boil out in there.
Yes,
That's good.
I ate
So
that.
who's the cook? You?
Yeah, the chef, yes sir.
Okay, that's
Yeah, so we're just cooking for the homeless today.
I know.
Alright.
That's good. That's
Our
very
good
nice.
vibes.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, bless, yeah?
Okay, bless.
Alright. That is it, people. Look at this. So what I go on right now. So you see them yam yassa right now, people. Yeah, we're going to cut them up to a smaller. You understand? And put them in the pot, people. Yeah, a good vibes. Look at that. So you see the pumpkin is starting to just dissolve, break apart now. And you understand? Look at that. The color is naturally creating a color transfusion. You understand? Because the pumpkin boils so much, you don't even have to work too hard to make it dissolve, people. Yeah, are good vibes. That is it, people. Yeah. So look, come in and have a look. So what I'm doing right now, yeah, you know that the yam's already been prepped, so I'm just cutting up the yam, putting the yam in the pot, people. Yeah, are good vibes. Look at that, wow. And we have some Irish potato as well. So I cut them up, put them in the pot, people. Yeah, and this is the filler for our soup today, people. Yeah, this is what's gonna give the people them the filling. You understand? Put the body to the soup. You understand? We've got all the garlic, the ginger, the carrot, the turmeric, scallion, onion, all them things there ready. Now we're just putting the last ingredients into the pot, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Look at that. Everybody can get a piece of yam. You understand? A true nachi.
Yeah, man. Alright, for yourself.
Cut up everything nice. Understand?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so look, let me show you what I'm cooking.
Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Need them own restaurant. So need them own restaurant, Danny. Trust me.
Yes, I'm cooking
You're very good.
I'm cooking some vegetable soup for the homeless.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Yeah. Are you from Croydon?
I am from Croydon.
How long you been here in this community?
40, 50 years?
50 years. So you've seen
Oh yeah, I've seen the changes.
everything.
Most of it for the worse.
We're working for the better right now.
I hope so.
Yeah, we're working for the better.
I hope so.
Yes. A good vibes, people, yeah. So we're outside. So your air grandma says she's been here for 40, 50 years. Yeah, into this community. That is it. I just told you that. Look, there's.
Well, can I see?
Yeah, he's got.
Oh, yeah, because that's not the thing. That's something else, the water.
Marky Mark. Can't say nothing. A good vibes. Look at that. Wow. Pot of soup, people. Yeah, so we've shared out a bit of soup so far. Yeah, man, we're right here at the market, Sedway, people. Yeah, that is it. A good vibes. Nice, friendly community here today. You understand? Enough people come out, get their fruits and vegetables. You understand? All their ingredients and that they need. You understand? Imported from around the world. People are out here. You understand? A good vibes. And some tissue. You can get some tissue. Hey, the temperature's dropped, innit?
Yeah, too much. And I'm feeling the cold than that, badly.
What did you get up to today?
been in the council building all day.
Oh yeah, because you come over earlier and you went back here.
Yeah.
What did they say?
Nothing. Come back Monday again.
Are they trying to get your property in that, yeah?
Yeah, trying to.
You reckon?
See, but I don't think they will. Where I've used one place there, but they was going to put me up to the Gatwick Airport way. And that, and I said no, thank you. Well, I don't know the area.
Yeah.
And that. So they don't want to help me. I'll sip it as well.
That'll warm me up, Alan. Good man, you enjoy that.
Yeah, it's warming me up already.
Good stuff, good stuff. A good vibes, Marky Mark. Let me get a cup of soup. Come and get a cup of soup. You depend on video every day, brother. You depend on camera every day.
We're not on there. You're not on there.
Big up my G, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry, man, saying I cried them. Big up Ringo.
That is
Always. What do you hear me? Feed what? 1 million people.
That is it.
That's the realest thing in my do. You know, find nobody that do this. I'm on there in a winter, summer, autumn. Look at that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Man, feed everybody who need it. That's a good look. I them things you have to appreciate in life. You get me?
That is it.
Some people call it soup, we call it sip, because it's hot power lip. Right now in the cold, this is good for your soul. Yeah, nothing's gonna be and nothing will unfold. You know?
You have to tell the people.
Yeah, man, give thanks to them. Because some people call it soup, some people call it soup, we call it sip, because it's hot when it catch your lip. Remember when it's cold, it's good for you. Make things unfold and it help your soul. Do what you're told.
Yeah.
Big up Ringo.
Yeah, man.
Everything I got.
Just drink out this and let me tap you up for you, please. Yeah, we want you to get a good portion of the soup for your journey today.
Yeah, man, it's always a good thing. A good thing you have to do.
A good vibe.
The food is the staff of life.
Definitely.
The place to go at night is Queen's Park at 9:30.
You right there?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Here you go, you're welcome.
The best.
Yes, everybody, so just handing out the soup here on Surrey Street. Not able to move from where I am yet because we just hand out the soup people here at Good Vibes. We've got some big containers and we've got small containers because the soup we're dealing with people here. Good Vibes. You want the soup? Yes, everyone here, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want us to come over and check you in your community. You understand? And you can help facilitate that as well, people, yeah? A good vibes. You understand? Thank you very much. Cold outside right now, yeah. This is the time when the soup really comes in handy. What do you think about Croydon?
It's tough, it's tough.
Alright, so yeah man, a good vibe. Would you like some soup? Would you like some soup?
No, I'm good for that. I'm working.
Alright, cool. Yeah man, a good vibes. Yeah, it's really cold outside right now, people, yeah. Market is closing up. Huh? Nah, he said he's working right now. Yeah. I don't know what he's working doing, but he said he's working. Yeah. It's working.
It's very warm.
Yes, boss. How's the soup? How's the soup, big man? How's the soup?
It's good. I like it.
You like it, yeah?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Ringo.
More soup this time, okay?
Where's the Ross? Where am they? Let me say they're going to give me a sample. Yes, they never come back. Take a sample right now. Can you take a sample? Yes. Alright. You're good though? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. It's only good food for Ringo.
Oh, what soup it is today?
Best soup ever. Best soup ever.
No, which one today?
Vegetable. Ever.
Oh, vegetable. Yeah. Yeah, cause two me not eat anything, you know? Yeah, I'm anything me eat. Me have the vegetable, but there's some meat but me not eat on, you know? But me not have my problem with vegetable.
Really tasty. Believe me, really tasty. It's really nice. Trust Ringo's cooking. Thank you.
You have one, darling?
Yeah.
Yes, everybody. So what's happening right now? So Marky's getting a turn, sharing out the food. Good vibes. Get me. Have some people here eating some food right here. Big man here having some soup. You understand? That is it, people. Yeah. One love. The movement continues. Yeah. Giving back to the local community, helping the homeless. That is it. Yes, everybody. So we're coming to the end of the pot people. Yeah. So the gentleman here. Big up yourself.
Yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing. I really like it.
Round 3.
Round 3.
I feel like eating much, you know. I just feel
Mainly soup, okay? Save some for the other people. Got it?
I'm somewhere in it. Yeah. You didn't start judging my booking. You never read it, innit?
Bro, cut. Oh, hold on. Are you done?
You whack my arm, bro. Come on. I told you already, bro. Stop whacking me, bro. Come on, bro. Alright, come out, bro. Alright, hold on. Hold on. You're whacking me, bro. Come on. Don't touch me. You don't touch me, man.
Alright everyone, so you see the completion one last part of the day, but just wash up the pot for them people, yeah? Outside, said way. It's a good day today. That is it. Just wash down everything, wash that down the trolley. You understand? Good vibes.
Fuck it, you're smiling. That's the most important.